welcome back to the channel. We're going to be putting a TotalFlow muffler on the RAM today. Part number is 415633. Should be direct fit. Stuff you're going to need: safety glasses, gloves, PP blaster, 1/2-inch sockets. Probably need impact. I've already got it soaked underneath. You can see the puddles. But it's about time to, well, this thing needs a bath. But let's put the muffler on. So underneath your probably 11 to 19 RAM, maybe even later, you're gonna have 3 muffler clamps. Got this front one here, and then you've got the 2 back here, right there and right there, that run to your tailpipes. So this will be the hardest part of the job, getting these loose however you need to. And then there's going to be a couple of hose hangers there, that one and one right there, and then one over here. That should hold the front pipe up, but once you get this loose, you could probably slide it all back. So I'm going to fight with that now, and we'll see how this goes. Alright, so once you get the muffler out, I had to drop the hangers, drop the rear tailpipes, PB blast everything, and then pound it off. Here's your new one. And pretty simple instructions. It does come with really good instructions, but essentially you want the inlet on the inlet pipe, outlets on the outlet. Make sure you put the clamps in place first, tighten it down, and then adjust your exhaust tips to line up. Alright, so it's ready to go. They recommend slipping your clamps on first. This is the way it goes in there. So recommend having your nuts down. They should be a 15 mil. So now you just slip the pipes in place, pop the hangers in, and away you go. Alright, so you want to get your pipe length about roughly where you want it. Now you can adjust your tips back here at these clamps as well to angle them up and down. But I've got this about roughly where I want it. Make sure all your hangers are mounted. There's one over here, one there, one there, and then of course on the exhaust. Now I actually put the 2 hangers on the muffler first, then slid the front in, and then slid the back. So back here you can actually, you can't change the angle of course, but you can adjust your tips in and out by sliding the pipes before you tighten it down. Now these don't take a lot of torque. They are just going to do a little bit of sealing. So get it all in position and tighten it down, and you're all... There you have it, all tightened up. Just make sure that none of your exhaust is touching anything that it shouldn't. You know, check your frame clearance and whatnot. Make sure all your clamps are tight. Especially this back pipe here. This can twist, these can touch here. You can actually have that resting on the frame. So just make sure everything's aligned. And you're all set. Try the new sound.